Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're just gonna have to give me a sec here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
LA1 61E. Oh, it's a good thing I got a dash cam.
For real? For real? Really dumb. Really fucking dumb.
Its little bird soulmate, and I just killed its other bird soulmate. That's so fucked up. Oh no. Oh man, no, my knee killed it.
C'est abusé hein. Oh, en plus ils stressent les gens là, non mais oh. Eh, y a le tram qui arrive, ça fout la merde. Fucking genius. Tidi. Ça c'est du ricain ça. Ah ouais, faudrait klaxonner les ricains là, ils nous font chier. Hein?
Les mecs étaient au buffet en fait et...
Ils sont restés plus longtemps. C'est bon, c'est fini là.
Ah, c'est pas...
Oh no.
I was just going by down there. There's a guy that he's mowing and he's got grass right out all across the whole road.
Okay.
It's the guy for Odessa.
Yeah.
And when I went by, I went, what are you doing? Because I'm riding through grass, and if I go to stop,
Yeah,
the
exactly.
bike's gonna just wash out on me. So
Yeah.
I just wonder if somebody could maybe speak to him, is that he can turn his mower the other way instead of spraying it onto the road.
Yeah, I'm just on the way to a call here.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then after that, if I can see him, I'll just...
He did turn around and he did start blowing it back, but
Okay.
it was after the fact, like, because he started waving his hands at me, like, I was like, what are you doing? Like,
Not only that, a lot of times there's rocks and stuff and debris on the...
yeah, and he's shooting it right out in. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.